Everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 apps that could help you get loan in Nigeria without no collateral. So if this is the first time I've seen right here on YouTube, my name is Ola. And what I do right here on my channel is talk about personal finance, business, and investment, whereby I'll be showing you guys how you could literally make money online by showing you guys some side hustles you could start right now that's going to earn you money online. I also teach entrepreneurs, business owners on how to grow their business with some online strategy. So if this is what you want to see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel right now and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime we drop awesome videos on that, guys. So in today's video, we'll be discussing 5 apps that can help you get loan in Nigeria without no collateral, guys. So I know, guys, getting loan in Nigeria without no collateral can be literally challenging right now. However, with the use of some apps, you could usually get loan without no collateral, guys. So here are some 5 apps you could use to get loan in Nigeria without no collateral. So the number 1 app right here on my list is called Carbon, and is formerly known as Pay Later. So it's a popular leading app in Nigeria that provides you of loan of up to 1 million naira without no collateral, guys. You could literally get loan on this app with a simple process. All you just need to submit your application. Go on your Play Store right now, or your Apple Store is available on both Apple Store and Play Store. Just download the app, create an account, and literally submit your process, submit your application. So once you are done submitting your application, you'll be able to get up to 1 million naira without no collateral, guys. So the number 2 app on my list right here is called Fair Money app. I know you guys may have heard about Fair Money app because it's a popular loan app right now you could use to get loan in Nigeria. So Fair Money app is another popular leading app in Nigeria that provides you loan of up to 500 naira without no collateral. This Fair Money app provides you loan of up to 500,000 naira, 500,000 naira, guys, without no collateral, guys. All you just need is to download the app on your Apple Store or Play Store. Create an account with yourself, create an account for yourself right now, and submit your application. And once you submit your application, within a minute, guys, your loan is going to be approved and it's going to be sent to your bank account. So the number 3 app right now is called Quick Money. So it's also a leading app that provides you loan of up to 500 naira. Also, it provides you loan of up to 500,000 naira without no collateral. So this app also offers you a flexible repayment plans. So you could literally get loan on this app within 1 minute, guys. You can usually get loan on this app within 1 minute. All you just need is to download the app also on Play Store. It's available on both Play Store and iOS. Just download the app on the Play Store and create an account for yourself. And then once you submit your application, it's very simple to get a loan. All you just need is your phone number, your name, your friend's name, and all of that. And once you are done with that, you are going to be given the money. The money is going to be credited into your bank account straight up. So the number 4th app on my list right here is called Palm Credit. It's also a leading app that provides you up to 100,000 naira without no collateral. So with this app, you can usually borrow up to 100,000 naira, sorry, without no collateral. So this app also offers you flex repayment plans. So you can usually get your loan up to 24 hours, guys. You can usually get a loan in this app for just 24 hours. After 24 hours, your money is going to be sent to your bank account. And also, you can usually download this app on Apple Store and also on Play Store. This app is available on both Apple Store and iOS. So all you just need to create an account on this app, guys, then submit your application, then your money is going to be sent into your bank account straight up. So the number 5th app on my list right now is called Ali Credit app. So it's also a leading app that provides you with up to 1 million naira also without no collateral. You usually borrow up to 1 million naira without on this app without no collateral. You can see, guys, this is really insane. So if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime we drop awesome video on that, guys. So if you want to learn also more apps to get loan right in Nigeria, the video is gonna be popping right on your screen right now. Just click on it to go learn more apps you could also use to get loan right here in Nigeria. So if you want to also learn how to usually make money online, if you want to learn how to make passive income online, if you want to learn how to make your first $2,000 online, I'll be leaving the link in the description. And just click on the link right now to go get my book, my step-by-step book on how that's going to teach you how to usually make your first $2,000 online right now. So right now, if you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like this video, and also comment down below and tell me your thoughts about this app, guys. And also make sure you also do your research, guys. So these are the 5 apps that could use these are the 5 apps you could use to get loan in Nigeria without no collateral. So before taking a loan from this app, it is essential you understand the terms and condition, guys. It's essential you understand the terms and condition of this loan app and ensure that you can repay it on time, guys. I won't advise you, make sure you repay this app on time so that they won't come and carry you in your house, guys. I'm just joking. So make sure you are on you are unable to borrow the loan, you are not able to borrow the money you can repay on time, make sure the money you are going to borrow is the kind of money you could literally repay on time, guys. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notification for more information videos like this, guys. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And like I said, guys, the link, if you want to learn more apps you could use to borrow loan online, the video is going to be popping up right here on your screen. Just click on the link to go watch this video.